Hello everyone, welcome to Curious Minds YouTube channel. My name is Akshay sir and I am a physics teacher here. Now we will be discussing this question. This is a JEE Mains question from April 2024 year, and it was asked in Shift-1. Okay, so this is the question. They are asking that on Celsius scale, okay, if the temperature of some body increases by 40 degrees, what is going to be the corresponding change in the temperature on the Fahrenheit scale? Okay, and these are the four options. Okay, this is not a very difficult question. All right, so they mentioned that delta C is 40 degrees. Okay, and they're asking what is going to be the corresponding delta F. Now we know the formula that connects this temperature with this temperature, and that is this. We know that any temperature measured in Fahrenheit is nothing but 9 by 5 C plus 32, right? So if we take the difference, basically this implies that delta F is going to be 9 by 5 delta C, because this derivative is going to be 0, right? Okay, so this is the formula. So now we'll be simply putting the value and getting the answer. So this is nothing but 9 by 5 into 40. So when we do this calculation, it just turns out to be 72. Okay, so this is our final answer.